Welcome to Cool Breeze Packs. We are going to be opening up this package that I got from WhatNot. It is from Vortex Brakes. We are going to open it up here on stream and see what we get. Live reaction. I've really enjoyed doing WhatNot instead of just buying packs, because where I live, it's really tough to get packs nowadays. Okay, they double sealed it. Always like the extra protection. If you haven't checked out my channel before, be sure to give a like, give a follow. Honestly, I've been ordering so much off WhatNot, I don't even know exactly what I'm getting today. Like I said, from Vortex Brakes. Ooh. Okay, well, they double packaged it, but oh my god, did it come smushed. Like, completely. Yeah, the chances of my cards still being perfectly protected in here, honestly, are kind of slim. I'm a little disappointed with how they packaged it. You gotta have, like, don't they have bubble wrap in this? Yeah, they did. So honestly, I think I have to give it more to the UPS workers that mishandled it. Oh my god, it is a tight package. There we go. Perfect. So these are the Paradox Rift boxes in, I believe, Japanese. Either Japanese, Chinese. I might be Chinese, but voila. Got quite a few packs to open here. Let's begin. Each pack only has 5 cards in it. So that is what lets you know it is a Chinese pack. I haven't opened many Chinese packs, but I have watched a lot of people open Chinese packs. Pokeball. You're honestly not guaranteed anything. I think in the whole box you're guaranteed to get at least 1 IR, but even then, there's a good chance you don't get your money back. So we're even going to keep all the hollows in their own little pile. I work at a little retail shop. I give out Pokemon cards to kids just to make their day a little bit better. Mr. Mime, Cedra, Ella Kid. So yeah, not quite sure what our chase is in this, but it's always fun to open something new, something that you haven't seen before. And you know what? It might be easier if I just open them all, put them all in the pile, and go through them all at once. Because of it only being 5 cards at a time. Okay. So we are just going to rip through them real quick. If you need to, fast forward in the video to when I already got them all undone. Hopefully I'm going to be posting a lot more. I want to do my WhatNot reveals on here. Maybe go through the set that I'm trying to finish by showing off that binder. I'm trying to get illustration of all 151 original Kanto Pokemon. Only problem is a lot of those Pokemon do not have illustrations yet. So they are impossible to finish. But it makes it a fun chase that I can kind of keep working on. See, Chinese knows what's up. They don't put any of those energy cards in this. They don't put any of those TCG cards in this. You are just getting 5 Pokemon cards. We are almost there. 2 packs left to open. We'll save the last one to do some last pack magic with it. Voila. So, I'll blind react with you. Pampor. Oh, well, right off the bat. Okay. I didn't expect that. We got the Hydrogen SAR. Amazing, amazing. Pumpkaboo. Rotom Crustle. Yeah, I mean, we might have already gotten our hit of the whole box. Which was not a bad one. EX. There we go. I like the Chinese EXs because even they have like a little bit of texturing to them. Makes it kind of cool. Ooh, Master Ball. You can see the little M on top of the Pokeball there. Oh, is that another Master Ball? Not Master Ball, but it's a Pokeball. We'll buy it. Larvitar. I dropped one that doesn't matter. Oh. Come on. Okay, last pack magic. Last pack, last pack, last pack. Whisper, Crustle, Golbat, Milotic, and Emboar. Or Magnetor. So our hit of this box ended up being this beautiful, beautiful AR. And then we did get one EX card and one Master Ball. So the Master Ball was a Vanillite. And the EX was Cassandra, I believe. Something like that. But this was my first time opening a whole box of Chinese cards. So I did have a lot of fun doing it. I thought the hit rates were, I knew like you were guaranteed to get one good hit, but I thought I'd get a little bit more. And I thought there would be a Chinese exclusive in there. Pretty sure I know that one is not Chinese exclusive, but it still made it a lot of fun. Kids at my workplace are going to love getting these cards. So I enjoyed it a lot. Thank you guys for coming and watching my channel. Cool Breeze out.